Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: New Instance Method in Java Reflections. So what is this New Instance Method, which is mainly used for Java Reflections? So New Instance method, it belongs to class whose name is also a class. So this class is mainly used for reflections to get runtime description about a class and its contents. So this is also available in another class whose name is constructor. So constructor is also a class name. And what is the use of new instance method? It is used to create a new instance of any class. It is used to create a new instance of any class. So coming to new instance method of class, which belongs to class. So it has zero argument constructor. Okay. So it takes zero arguments. Okay. Whereas if you come to new instance method of constructor class, so we can use this method with any number of arguments. So here we can use any number of arguments, and generally we prefer constructor class new instance method when compared to class new instance method. So this new instance method helps us to create an object of a class, physical object or actual object of a class whose memory is allocated in the RAM and object reference code is allocated or hash code is allocated. Now if we see the description of class, so java p hyphen public java.lang.Class. So open the command prompt, go to the working directory and issue this command. So class is mainly used for reflections. So here we have new instance method which returns object of any particular class as a generic object. So it throws instantiation exception and illegal argument access exception, not argument access exception. Next, if we see the description of constructor class, so java p hyphen public java.lang.Constructor. So constructor is one class name, right? Okay, constructor class. So here constructor class, it belongs to java.lang.reflect package. Okay, so basically it is used in reflections. Constructor class, it belongs to java.lang.reflect package. So java.lang.reflect.Constructor. Right. So here in this class we have a new instance method, and this new instance method, here we can pass args, var args, okay, of any class object, okay, and it will return that as a generic object. And here also it throws instantiation exception, illegal access exception, right? So now let us try to understand this with a small example. So first we have to get the object reference of class. C1 is equals to, so class dot forName student. So student class is associated with class object reference variable. So C1 dot new instance. So it will create an object of student class and returns that as a generic object. So downcast that into student object and store that in a reference variable student ss, or something like ss dot. We can also call the methods and use the data members. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Java new instance method example1.java. Right, so take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program, and then we are taking a student class with 3 data members: roll number, name, height, and these 3 data members we are initializing in default constructor or constructor with 0 arguments. This dot roll number 1001, this dot is name Sai, this dot height 6.0 f, and we are taking one method, display method, in which we are printing roll number tab space name tab space height. Now come to the main class with main method. So throws exception, so we might get instantiation exception, illegal access exception, hence we are propagating this exception back to the JVM because main method is called by JVM. So step 1, we have to get the reference of class as C1. So class dot static method for name student. So it will load student class in the memory of the program and returns the object reference of class. So store it as C1. So C1 dot new instance. So we can create an object of student object, student class. So downcast that into student class type and store that in a reference variable student ss, and simply say ss dot display. So it will display roll number, name, height. So save this program, come to the command prompt, and then compile the program. Java Java new instance method example1.java. So no error, we just got a warning here, we can ignore that, and then run the main class with main method. Java new instance method example1. So display ss.display roll number 1001 tab space name Sai tab space 6.0 f. Right, so this is how we are supposed to work with new instance method to create an object of a particular class which is loaded with class and available with class object reference variable. So that is what is all about new instance method in Java reflections. So this concept is also related to Java reflections. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.